Palestinian, far away from you, and I've come here to talk about what's going on outside and to see what you feel about meeting me and talking about your attitudes towards what I feel. A lot of time we've been spending it at house without schools, and you know the reason why. And because they were shot, and we didn't have much time to study the things you studied. So we had to cross 2 years and 1 year, and that's much different.
Yes, but I also think that our activities are sometimes different. I mean, I don't go with my friends and throw stones at soldiers.
How could you? How would you? I mean, why? Because you're living in a state. You're not occupied. We are occupied.
Yes, but I still, even if I were occupied, I don't think I would do these things in order to solve it.
You don't live the situation we are living. You don't see soldiers killing people. You never had your brother arrested, have you? Have you ever seen him bleeding? Have you ever seen him beaten up? And he's a small kid. Why? Because he wants land, he wants a government. I mean, this is not a good situation. It's not good. You don't feel good. I don't think you feel good. This is.
Maybe a ruler wants to find a solution. I didn't hear, her say it, but I'm sure there are other Palestinian kids who want this situation to continue. And showing, the situation this way, I don't think it's very fair, because then you give the viewer in your country the only choice is sympathizing with the ruler and not with us. You see?
We have 21 Arab states, okay? And they're ready to take Palestinians there. But why don't we live in our land? Why should strangers come and kick us out and stay in our land, and we should find another state? Why?
We're not strangers.
What? Our cousins?
We believe it's our land like you believe it's yours.
We can live together.
Okay. Live together? Yes. You're blaming me for throwing stones because I want to live.
And you're blaming us that we're killing your family. You see, we cannot live like this when everybody hates each other and blaming each other.
You can't kill for peace. This is a silly reason. You can't kill for peace.
We're not killing for peace, we're killing for our existence.